Hey, what we have here today is Grandma's Granada Gold 1967 Camaro convertible, six-cylinder car, been pampered all of its life. Newsflash, it has a Z06 420 horsepower motor under the hood, Willwood disc brakes, overdrive automatic, posi rear end, stainless exhaust. All the mechanicals were just redone in this car. What a sleeper. All the documentation's right here. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find the price tag on this one and 200 others, along with a monthly payment. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, it's from a collector that we've been doing some business with, and he did start with this super clean car. The paint, the upholstery is just like how he purchased it. No rust. He says no patch panels anywhere, and the body does look really clean and straight. Hood lines up all nice and square. The fenders, excuse me, all nice and clean, right down to the bottom, even below the bottom, clean as a whistle. Doors straight, gaps are nice, opens easily, jambs are painted nicely. Quarter panels all nice and clean. The body lines all look good and straight, clean and smooth. All nice and clean through here. All nice and clean. A hairline crack. One little, looks like a little hair laying there. All clean, smooth, shiny. That door lines up real good. Two minor little dimple dents. Something must have hit it and left a couple little door dents there. Door shut beautifully. So exceptionally clean body, repainted its original Granada Gold color. The metallic is laid out very nicely. The clear coat's polished beautifully. There'll be a little minor flaw here or there, tiny touch up, tiny scratch touched up. Little imperfection in the paint, almost kind of looks like a bird dropping on the paint is what it looks like there. The chrome is nice and bright. The bumper, front and back, is really sharp. The grille is nice and clean. Windshield's crystal clear. He did put the torque thrust wheels on. When I say brand new, I don't think there's 100 miles on the car since the mechanics were all done, including the brand new tires and the torque thrust wheels. I love how he left the 250 cubic inch six-cylinder emblem on there. The original chrome pillar has some freckles on the chrome frame. Window fuzzies are real good shape. Door handle looks good original. Moldings look like they've been replaced. Convertible top. It is a black convertible top. The top is actually pretty darn new. The weather stripping is getting a little crusty though, but it is a power top. In back, the tail lights look new. The bumper is an 8 or 9 out of 10. So nice looking sleeper car. Let's open it up, show you the interior, and then we will get to that Z06 under the hood. All right. Automatic opening trunk. You can see this is painted real nice. The jam is clean. The weather strip is replaced. Inside is super clean metal, especially being a convertible. That's really nice to see. It's been spatter painted. Has the well liner that looks pretty fresh. Comes with a car cover, the jack assembly. So nice clean trunk compartment. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. Yeah, jams are nice. Weather strips around the doors have been replaced. Door panels, armrests, they do look like they've been replaced. The dash area, nice and clean. Dash pads clean, the whole instrument panel, gauges, all that looks really good. Not messed around with. This whole panel, the heater controls, all looks good. It's got an old cassette player in there. You did just add the gauge cluster, Bosch gauges, so you can watch your oil pressure and temperature. Interior lights do work. Carpet's pretty fresh, but they cut it a little short right here. Does have some nice Camaro mats. Has the center console, and if you notice, they upgraded the shift indicator for the new overdrive automatic. Seats are reupholstered. Does have original seat belts. the back of the seat, these plastic backs, this corner is chewed up a little bit right there. They sell those. And then the rear armrest, the seat upholstery, all that looks to be in really nice shape as well. So overall, very tidy, clean, unabused interior. Now I did mention, looks like a new windshield, but I noticed there's some scratches. There's a little spot there. It looks like someone tried cleaning it with steel wool or something like that. I just noticed. I thought it was a smudge, but there are some light scratches. So there you have it. This is an LS6 Z06 motor, all aluminum, 420 horsepower, completely rebuilt. It has a Z06 head, cam, etc. And all just redone. It has new Hustler headers, stainless steel headers. And you can tell by looking at the engine compartment, it was a clean car to start with. Look how clean the engine bay is. The squirters are hooked up, the rubber's in place. He replaced all the hoses, the belts, the whole fuel system, all compatible for the fuel injection. It's all replaced. There's a fuel regulator. There's a serpentine belt up front. And here's all the receipts. They'll come with it. I haven't even looked at them, but this is all from the work that was just recently done. Upgraded aluminum radiator with an electric fan. The horns are up here. Got modern power steering. Power brakes, and that's all been replaced. Cadmium plated booster. Look how clean the wiper motor is. There's hood insulation under the hood. So yeah, it's pretty cool to open that hood. People are not expecting to see that. I knew it was under there, and it still shocks me when I open the hood. So Michael's going to take you for a drive, show you how good this thing runs.
Everybody, the top is down and it's time to go for a cruise. Got a really nice kind of sleeper here today, not what you would expect from looking on the outside there. A nice Z06 LS6 under the hood, all aluminum engine, 5.7 liters and I believe 420 horsepower. Really nice with the fuel injection. You get the turnkey reliability, and yeah, that's what it's done for me so far. Just like a modern car, get in, tap the key, and you're off to the races. .4L60E automatic overdrive transmission. It's cool if you're looking to do some highway cruising there with the extra gear of the overdrive. Let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, I think we're speeding a little bit. Yeah, what a ripper. Again, you wouldn't expect it, you know, from the looks, but this car gets down in boogies, man. Awesome performer. And again, just ultra reliable modern drivetrain. Fantastic vehicle. So give us a call here at the museum if you want to come take it for a test drive. Just give us about a day's notice. We'll have the car all ready for you. And outside of that, check out the pictures, details, and full description at volocars.com.
So underneath the car looks like that engine bay. Nice, smooth, clean black floors. Suspension and steering was gone through and rebuilt. Again, the fuel system was all replaced. The electric fuel pump is in the tank. It has a fat 3-inch stainless steel exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. Complete brake system was upgraded, drilled and slotted 4-wheel disc Willwood brakes at all 4 wheels. All the fuel lines, brake lines, they were all replaced. You look up at the motor, you're going to see an aluminum motor, high torque starter. I think he said it's a 4L70E overdrive automatic, completely just rebuilt, dyno tested even. In back is a 10-bolt rear end with 355 posi gears. Those are new. Also wanted to point out the front wheels are 15-inch, the back wheels are 16-inch. Give it a little bit of a muscle car stance. Throw some hubcaps on here and wear a white wig and you'll probably make a lot of money at the stoplights in some races. So cool looking car. If you're into a sleeper with a Z06 motor under the hood, this is it. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions like how to get your grocery getter delivered home. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.